For the past 30 years, Roboguard has formed an essential component of any professional security installation. The Askari range was developed with the DIY market in mind, where qualified installers are not always available. The Askari system continues to provide the reliable early warning needed to protect, and now also caters for easier installation, transportation, and where ad hoc or temporary detection is required. Roboguard and Askari are the market leaders in outdoor early warning systems and pet immunity. Both systems are locally manufactured in South Africa and cater towards the security needs locally as well as internationally. Askari has been specifically designed for the DIY market, where low-risk sites can be adequately protected and secured. Complexes, building sites, caravan parks, holiday homes, and temporary livestock protection are all applications where Askari detectors would be best suited. Askari detectors change the element of surprise, alerting the user 24/7, 365 days a year of intruders, preventing theft, and more importantly, protecting lives. Stafix is a proud distributor of the Askari range of products. The Askari range is available at any of our branches countrywide and can also be purchased online through www.askaribeams.co.za.